Alright guys, I got this package already. I bought this less than a week, no? Wow, the most awaited package. Because my wife already agreed to buy this one after seeing this sa actual or physical store. So, ito na siya guys. It's a PacSafe. Oh, I will keep this receipt because this bag has a warranty. 10 years warranty sa zipper and sa stitches. Wow. Alright, so why I chose this bag? Kasi nga grabe yung safety features niya. Number one, etong strap niya, meron siyang cable wire dito. Meron siyang tinatawag na anti-slash. O hindi siya basta-basta mapuputol. And the other feature of this is etong link niya dito. So there's a special mechanism for PacSafe. Their new technology, hindi mo siya basta-basta matatanggal. So you can leave your bag somewhere and you lock it so hindi makukuha. And then the other one is this one. This is the safety lock system niya. Ito dito for the zipper. So pag nasa crowd ka, hindi basta-basta ma-open ito. Itong zipper. So very nice kasi minsan nga nakakalimutan natin or nawawala tayo sa focus. Yung mga important items natin nasa bag is nananakaw. So ito siya. And then another feature is ito. Sa loob, meron siyang wire mesh, same sa strap. So meron siyang anti-slash pa rin. So kahit na i-cut nila to with a blade, yung items mo sa loob hindi siya mahuhulog or hindi nila makukuha from the outside. All around the bag. And then for this one, very nice mechanism din para sa zipper. Ito yung model niya, Vibe 100 if I'm not mistaken. Malaki siya actually pag naglagay ka ng mga things. And then ito, meron siyang RFID safe. So if you put your credit cards here, hindi siya mananakaw yung information. Your credit cards, your ATMs, or your debit cards are safe. So ayan guys, I'm very happy because I like the design. It's not common. It's very slick. Anti-theft bags from PacSafe. So it is a hip bag. Meron siyang wire mesh and then ito yung mga mechanism niya. So may mga tutorials kung paano siya i-unlock. And then lastly, the price, it's 5,590. So ayan guys, I'm gonna use this kasi itong Onitsuka Tiger ko, nag-surrender na yung zipper. Ito, nag-fail na talaga. I will not throw this but will have it repaired. Ayan, I love this bag, PacSafe.